Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodeBase. Today is day 9 of our LeetCode study plan journey, and today problem is the string compression, LeetCode number 443. So let's read the problem statement first. Given an array of characters char, compress it using the following algorithm. The algorithm says begin with an empty string s. For each group of consecutive repeating character in the char array, if the length group is the one, append the character to the s. Otherwise, append the character followed by the group length. The compressed string s should not be written separately, but instead be stored in the input character array chars. Note that group length that are 10 or longer will be split into multiple characters in the chars. After you are done modifying the input array, return the new length of the array. And you must write an algorithm that uses only the constant extra space. There is a special note that the characters in the array beyond the return length do not matter and should be ignored. So let's see the example. Here in the input, we are given an array of characters. Like in this array, we are given an A, B, B, C, C, C. And means we are given alphabets here like A to Z, random alphabets. Basically we have to count it. Like in the problem statement, if you see, the algorithm says if the group length is 1, append to the character s. Like here in the first example, let me copy this. So in this first example, I have this array. The length is A. If it is greater than 1, we have to count the length. So it is 2. Means A is 2 times appear in this array. Then comes to B. B is 2 times. So again write the 2. If it then again C. It comes to 3 times. So write the 3 here. Now we have to return this length. A2, B2, C3. So length here is the 6. So our output must be the 6 here. And we have to return the only length. We do not have to return this string or return any array. And we have to also modify this array, means this input array in place solution. It must be an in place solution. We do not have to make it separate. Like here it already said that the compressed string s should not be written separately. And also like here in the example number 2, it says a single A. So we have to return only one. Why? The only group is A, which remains uncompressed since it's a single character. This is the followed by this. If the group length is 1, append the character to the S. So here the idea is like we use the 2-pointer approach here. 1 pointer is to read and 1 pointer is to write. Means 1 pointer read the this character array, and 1 pointer is for the write this array. You maybe heard about like a slow pointer or fast pointer. That concept apply here. So first read the character. Like here I start from the 0th index to both the characters through both the index, both the pointers, and start with the 0th index and count. Means first read the index, means read the character and count how many times it repeats. Like here 1, 2. So we just place the here this 2 at this position, and again then B. So we again place it, then C and place it, and we have to return the, if count is greater than 1, then write the number. That's it. Let me write the code. You maybe you will get the idea of the exact what I am saying. Let write index is equal to 0. Let read index is equal to 0. So we have 2 indexes, means 2 pointer, write and the read. Start a while loop it run till the read index reach the character dot length, means at the last of this array. Then inside this, okay, sorry, and inside this we just take out the current character, so we can easily track this in the array. So this one is the chars of read index, means I get the current character that is from the current read index, and let count equal to 0. Means we just make a count value that start from the 0 to, means track the record for the how many times a character appear. Now start a again while loop, read index is smaller than character of means chars dot length, and chars of read index is equal to current char, and if it is, then read index plus plus and also count plus plus. Basically we count the repeating character, and we check if character of read index is equal to the current char. Like here I am here at this position C, means I get this C here as the current character, and we check every time, means for the further because read index plus plus every time, so we can check it every time, means the upcoming the characters. So and also we check whether the read index always smaller than the character dot length, so it does not cross the out of the range of this array. And with this I get the count value here, means how many times any character appears. Now we have to write the character, so chars of write index is equal to current character and write index is equal to index plus plus. Means we just place this current character to the, like I write the A2 B2 C3, so we just means write the current character to the right index and write index plus plus. Now we have to push the this count variable like 1 2 3 how many times it appears. For that, if count is greater than 1, then we have to append this, so count string is equal to string of count, and for let digit of count string character of write index is equal to digit, and also write index plus plus. Basically we have to give the this count into the string format, like here already it's written that append the character followed by the group length, and decompress as it should not be stored in the node that the group length are the 10 or longer will split into the multiple character. So for that we need to first make it to the like string format, and if it is greater than like to 12, then we just split by 1 and then 2. So we have to also tackle that portion, and in last we have to just return the right index, means when we reach the last index just return it. Sorry, I have to write here at this position. Now let me run this. Yes, it accepted. Let's try to submit the solution. Yes, it passed all the test cases, and means our solution is accepted and verified. Basically, we are modifying the same array in place. This is a in place approach. We are not storing any extra space. Means I do not build any extra string or extra character array, and we only write the counter then when it is greater than the 1. Like here we just write here, if count is greater than 1, then make it string format and apply here. And here time complexity is big of n because just a one pass of this character dot length. And that is for today's video. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to JDCodeBase, and if you have any doubt, comment it and I will help you out. See you in the next video.